Timber top, Kevin here. Where?
I don't know. Let's see. Might go first.
How many? Okay. Avalanche puller shoots. I'll grab the bag. It was reported at the base. There's one witness over there.
I need Tim.
We'll meet him over there. And they said it sounded like 3 people that were buried. So. Drop. Okay, let's go.
Just wait! We're not leaving without Tim! He's our only hope! Steve, come on! Let's go!
CARCA, or the Canadian Avalanche Rescue Cat Association, was started in 2008 by a local group of avalanche rescue professionals who were looking for the next evolution in avalanche rescue. Avalanche rescue cats, working as a team, multiple cats on a search site, can search an area approximately the size of a football field, much quicker than even a dog could, and of course way quicker than a probe line. Our research has shown that the quick deployment of an avalanche rescue cat team and handler can increase the chance of survival by up to 75%. And as you'll see, the cat presents many advantages in a rescue situation over an avalanche dog. One of them being, of course, the retractable claws for grip on snow and ice, and also for digging. Size, of course, we can carry many more search cats in the same space than you can transport a dog.
Okay guys, I've just finished the beacon search. I couldn't find anything. We have a size 2 here. They said there's guaranteed there's one person buried underneath. So we're gonna start doing a probe line here. This is level B. I want space.
Hey, out of the way, I got Tim.
No, this is for real, man. No, this isn't training.
It can do it.
There's someone under here.
There's been a lot of hardships as well, particularly the training of a new CARCA cat can be quite difficult, very labor intensive. It takes hours to train a new cat. As you know, felines they can be somewhat temperamental and very challenging to work with.
Probe up, step forward.
Other hardships, I mean, just getting into the industry, we've met a lot of resistance from the dog associations, and it's just been a long road to get some street cred and get some respect. I mean, when you're a visionary, sometimes it's hard to get people to buy into your vision, but I stuck it through. There were times when I thought about quitting, but I just kept going with the training, and I stuck with it, and I worked through those hard times, and here we are today with a thriving association of avalanche rescue cats. Search. 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 You got something? got something? I'm indicating. I need diggers over here. Good search cat. Good search cat. It's right here. It's right here. Go. You got him?
I got prop target. Got prop strike.
Leave the pro then.
Got his head. Got his head. You breathing?
Pull him out.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Roll him over.
Yeah, he's breathing.
After our live find, it really made people realize that CARCA is the future of avalanche rescue. Right now, the program's come to a stage where we're experimenting with the quick deployment of the avalanche rescue cat, taking advantage of the unique features of a cat, one being its lightweight, and two being the ability to always land on its feet. Attention all mountain radios, going ahead with an avalanche cat deployment in the Curry Bowl.
Lined up on hotspot. Gun is locked. Ammo.
Ready? Ready, search cat? Ready, search cat? Okay.
Loading cats.
Loading cat.
Pressuring up the gun. What's the pressure?
Go to 200 for this shot.
Pressuring up gun to 200. Safety's off. Clear to fire.
Clear.
Fire.
Fire!